If you want to change the background color in Fotor quickly and easily, this tutorial is going to walk you through the full process step by step. Whether you're creating a clean profile image, designing a product photo, or just want to give your image a more polished look, Fotor makes it simple to remove the original background and replace it with a solid color in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Fotor and load the photo you want to edit into the editor. This is where everything starts, so make sure the image is fully uploaded before you move on. Once your photo is open, look at the left sidebar menu and click on AI Tools. Inside that section, find BG Remover or Background Remover and select it. This tool uses AI to detect your subject and separate it from the background, which saves you a lot of time compared to manual editing. After that, Fotor will ask you to choose the cutout subject type. If your photo contains a person, select person so the AI can optimize the cutout for a human subject. If it's not a person, you can let the AI automatically detect the subject for you. This helps the tool identify what should stay in the image and what should be removed. Now wait a moment while Fotor processes the background removal. Once the original background is gone, you'll have a transparent cutout of your subject. From there, go back to the side menu and look for Create with AI or the Change Background section, depending on the layout of your version of Fotor. This is the area where you can replace the background with a new color or design. Click on Color to open the color palette. Here, you can choose from preset colors or select a custom shade that matches your brand, theme, or project. If you want a clean and professional look, solid white, black, or a soft neutral color can work really well. If you want something more eye-catching, you can choose a brighter or more creative background color instead. Once you've picked the color you want, click Apply to confirm the change. Fotor will instantly update the background behind your subject so you can preview the final result. Take a moment to make sure everything looks right, including the subject edges and the overall color balance. If you're happy with the edit, the last step is to save your image. Click Download at the top bar above the canvas, choose your preferred file settings if needed, and then save the edited image to your device. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background color in Fotor using the AI Background Remover and Color tools. It's a fast and beginner-friendly way to create clean, professional-looking images without needing advanced editing skills. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.